What's going on? What the fuck is going on? Oh, dude, come on. My Christmas tree. I hope you like it. You guys are bitches, dude. Tabby. Oh my god. Put that pearl necklace on here. Damn. Kitty! A happy Christmas to you guys. I love it. Hope you guys like my Christmas tree. I'm gonna go live soon, man. It's not ready yet. Orangey, you're so mad, Booger Chuck. Happy Christmas, bitchy pooples. Hey, buddy. Hey, what's up, guys? I love these guys. They're always scared. They're scaredy cats. I love this Christmas, man. One more time. You bitch. So cute. Walking Dead Marathon, son. Season finale. I wish they would never have a season finale. Now I gotta turn off the lights. Looks better without the lights, dude. Beautiful. Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, you bitches.